Are you dreaming of your next trip? Do you want to know what the best credit card is for getting trip rewards? There are only so many answers that work for everyone. According to the top credit analyst, Matt Schultz, the best travel credit card for you is the one that fits your goals, way of life, and how you spend your money. Before jumping into the video, subscribe to our channel and stick to the end. Let's go! Chase Sapphire Preferred. Every dollar spent on the Chase Sapphire Preferred earns Ultimate Rewards points, which can be redeemed for travel and other qualified categories at 1.25 cents per point or transferred to airline and lodging partners for enhanced travel redemptions. People with large travel and dining expenses, including food delivery, want a low-fee card with basic transferable points. Well, the question is, what do we like about Chase Sapphire Preferred? Chase Sapphire Preferred, the travel credit card's grandfather, is over a decade old. The card should make it easy to earn points with usual travel, eating, streaming services, and online shopping bonus categories. 5 points per dollar on Lyft journeys through March 25, and a 60,000 point sign-up bonus. Most food delivery services code as dining on Sapphire Preferred and earn 3 points per dollar just like restaurants. So you're covered even when you're not traveling. Dash Pass is free for a year for cardholders who activate by December 31st, 2024. Redemptions make Chase Sapphire preferable. Finally, the Chase Sapphire Preferred has no foreign transaction fees, making it safe abroad. It gives you main car rental insurance, so you don't have to check your own if you crash. Sapphire Preferred points are worth more than cash back. Even though our Citi Double Cash card earns 2% on all transactions, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. Many prefer the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which includes travel benefits and a $300 travel credit but a higher annual cost. Those without or using all those additional features may prefer this cheaper edition. American Express Gold. The American Express Gold card gets you a lot of valuable Amex travel points on almost all food purchases you make, even when you're not traveling. The card's credits also almost make up for its annual fee. People who can use all of the card's credits and spend a lot of money at restaurants, food delivery services, or US stores when they're not on the road should get this card. Bonus for new customers. You will get 60,000 extra points when you spend $6,000 in purchases in the first 6 months after you open the account. The American Express Gold has these things we like. We may sound strange calling the Amex Gold our best non-travel travel card of 2023, but it's the best way to get as many travel points as possible even when you're not traveling. You can then use those points in many ways on future trips. First, if you have the Amex Gold card, you'll get 4 points for every dollar you spend at restaurants around the world, and 1 point for every dollar you spend at US stores over $25,000 a year. Since most food delivery services are considered restaurants for this card, most of the food you buy will earn you 4 times the points no matter what you eat. When you book a flight directly with an airline, you'll also get 3 points for every dollar spent. This means that if you want to take advantage of any sales for flights later in the year, you can use your Amex Gold card to pay for them and earn extra points. You can get American Express membership rewards points with this card. For 1 cent each, you can use these points to book flights through Amex Travel. You might get a lot more value from them if you put in a little extra work and study and transfer them to any of Amex's 20 airline and hotel partners such as Delta Airlines, JetBlue, Marriott, and many more. American Express Platinum. The well-known American Express Platinum card isn't cheap, but it comes with a lot of great travel perks such as a lot of annual credits, access to more than 1,200 airport lounges around the world, including Amex's own Centurion lounges and Delta Sky Clubs when flying Delta, elite status with Hilton, Marriott, Hertz, Avis, and National Car Rental, and a lot more. Who should get this card? People who want top-notch luxury travel perks, travel credits that can be refunded, and travel awards that can be transferred. The things we like about the American Express Platinum are that because this card costs $695 a year, you should really use its benefits to make it worth it. You'll feel like a real VIP if you take this card with you on the road though. The Amex Platinum card gives you entry to thousands of airport lounges, including Amex's own Centurion lounges, which are thought to be some of the best US domestic airport lounges. Many people who work on the road think that this benefit alone is worth the price of the card. You can get even more credit if you think it will help you. Another thing you can do with those credits is use them on Uber Eats orders. This means you can still use them even if you don't use ride-sharing services. Delta Sky Miles Gold American Express. For occasional Delta flyers, the Delta Sky Miles Gold American Express card is a no-brainer. The free first checked bag for you and up to 8 companions on one round trip a year more than makes up for the $99 yearly fee, and there is no fee for the first year. This card is for Delta customers who want to get on the plane faster, not pay for checked bags and get other perks. Delta Gold Amex has these pros. The Delta Gold Amex is our favorite airline credit card because it comes with a big perk. You get one free checked bag. You and up to 8 other people can each get a free checked bag on any Delta trip with this card. This is a $30 value per route. A family of 4 could save $240 on a round-trip flight if everyone checks a bag. That's more than twice the $99 it costs every year after the SECO ticket. Because everyone in your reservation has a ticket, you'll be the first group to board in the main cabin. This will give you a better chance of finding space for your carry-on bags in the overhead bins. You can get 20% back on food, drinks, and headsets with Delta Gold Amex, but not on Wi-Fi. If you use this card to buy $10,000 worth of things in a year, Delta will give you a $100 flight credit that you can use on any Delta ticket. World of Hyatt Credit Card. The World of Hyatt Credit Card has a good set of bonus categories and makes points in the best hotel loyalty program out there. It also comes with free Hyatt Discoverist Elite status and the chance to get even higher levels of Elite status. This card is good for people who stay at Hyatt hotels often, especially those who want to become Hyatt Elite. You can get up to 60,000 bonus points. You'll get 30,000 bonus points after making 3 purchases worth $3,000 in the first 3 months after opening the account. You'll also get 2 bonus points for every dollar you spend on purchases that earn 1 bonus point, up to $15,000 in the first 6 months after opening the account. The World of Hyatt credit card has these things we like. Hyatt's reward program is still the best of all the big hotel chains. That's why we chose the World of Hyatt credit card as our top hotel credit card and one of our best travel credit cards. With this card, you can earn a lot of Hyatt points and still get a lot of value when you spend them. For example, you can stay at the Park Hyatt New York or one of the Hyatt Ziva or Zilara all-inclusive resorts. The card also gives you Hyatt Discoverist Elite status, which is the chain's lowest level of elite status, but still gives you benefits like 10% bonus points on your stays, elite check-in, premium internet, and a late checkout time of 2 p.m. when possible. And if you have a Hyatt card, you can move up to the Explorist or Globalist Elite levels. That's because cardholders get 5 Elite 9 points every year just for having the card. If you pick the right credit card for your trip, it will be more enjoyable and less stressful. So, that's it for today's video. Don't miss out on our future content. Hit that subscribe button now. Stay tuned and stay amazed.